how to solve WhatsApp enable to connect problem. So hello guys, in this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. First thing, open the settings. After you open the settings, now you have to uh, okay now you have to go into the apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone, so you have to choose the WhatsApp app and then click on this force stop option, click on this storage, click on clear data, clear cache, go back again, click on the data usage right here. Make sure to enable all those options right here, from the mobile data, the Wi-Fi, the background data and the roaming data. Now you have to do one last thing, which is go to the power usage details, click on force stop. That's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.